Here is a quick and easy way to make your very own bobble nose. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using number 3 light worsted cotton yarn. It's just a little bit easier to see. In your chosen color for your pom-pom nose, start by making a slip knot. And you're going to want to leave a little tail here, and that will help us assemble it later. So I'm going to pull up a loop just like that. And then we're going to insert our hook inside of that loop and tighten it up. Now we're going to chain 2. So I'm holding on to the base of that slip knot here. And in the second chain from the hook, that's where we're gonna make our bobble stitch. So to do that, we're going to yarn over, go into that second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. And we're gonna do that again. Yarn over, go into that same second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through the top 2. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Do that again, yarn over, go into the same chain, yarn over and come back out, yarn over and pull through 2, and one last time, yarn over, go into the same chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the top 2. Now we have a total of 5 loops on our hook, and let me just move this out of the way. Then this is the important part. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. That's going to create a really neat looking bobble, and we're going to chain to complete it. So now we're going to go into where the starting slip knot was and yarn over and pull up the loop through the current loop. Okay, pull up a short little tail, which we'll use for assembly, and that will hold the little bobble nose all together. So once you shape it up and everything and pop it out a bit, it should look something like so. This is equivalent to about a 1 centimeter pom-pom, and it's a great option to add if you're looking for a cute little nose to add to your amigurumi.